In this video, we're gonna go through how to recharge your wallet. So Kliniki runs on a wallet system instead of a subscription system, which means that you can recharge your wallet with whichever amount you need or whichever amount you want whenever you want, and your monthly payment will just be taken out of that wallet. So which allows you to do things like pay for 6 months or pay for a year or pay in advance with however much amount you want, and simplifies your life instead of having a payment every single month. So to recharge your wallet, first you would go to the settings tab here on the left, and this is gonna show you your current wallet balance. So I currently have $500 in my wallet, and my last payment, or the last time money was taken out of my wallet, was on September 27th, 2023. If I want to recharge my wallet, I'll just click on recharge wallet here, which is gonna take me to the payment page, which also shows me my wallet balance. And we have multiple methods of payment depending on your country. So Stripe is our most popular payment system, and you just click on pay now and select the amount you want to recharge for. So you can recharge for $500 and get $15 extra, for $100 and get $3 extra, or just $50, or just your monthly payment. We also support some money transfer methods in specific countries. To pay with money transfer, you just click on learn more and follow the steps that we outline. Thank you.